Welcome to our ready meals factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of ready meals are made in a factory, step by step.
Fresh carrots from Green Valley Farms, just as ordered.
Make sure to check the temperature logs on these chicken pallets. Standard procedure.
Precise cooking ensures every ready meal tastes perfect.
Every ready meal is checked before leaving the factory.
Safety checks guarantee every ready meal meets strict standards.
Okay, all ready meal shipments are green. Good job.
Let's monitor the European sector closely.
Looks like the new algorithm is already improving our demand accuracy for the Midwest region.
Agreed. Let's monitor this closely and adjust production accordingly.
Smart logistics ensure ready meals reach stores fresh and on time.
Thông nào biết bên trong nằm sinh cọp xanh nén. Trên sang đi, prop con con. Bán yên tâm trợ xong thư lòng sim sàn cha. Lên mang trong lạc.
From factory to table, quality you can taste.
It needs a bit more heat. Agreed. Let's try a pinch of chili.
Innovation keeps ready meals exciting and delicious.
All right, everyone, let's talk about the key safety protocols for handling our ready meals. Proper hygiene is paramount.
Well-trained teams ensure safe, reliable ready meals.
Looks like the adjustments are working. The energy use is trending down.
Great. Let's monitor the quality output for the next cycle.
We need to verify the sanitation logs for this zone.
Agreed. And cross-reference them with the latest microbial swab test results.
Strict standards ensure every ready meal meets global regulations.
Looks like the new chicken teriyaki isn't doing so well.
The ratings dropped significantly this past quarter. Customer insights help perfect every ready meal.
Smart technology keeps every ready meal perfectly controlled.
Evacuate. Proceed to the nearest exit. Maintain a calm and orderly pace.
Preparedness ensures continuity and safety.
Just make sure the alignment is correct before you start the cycle.
Like this?
Perfect. Now press the green button.
And that's how millions of ready meals are made in a factory, from start to finish.